Hello everybody, how are you doing? Yes, I am representing our team, the ones who won today, and what a lot of people say, these are the fans that stick through the thick and thin, especially when their wins have been far and few for the past couple of years. I'm actually glad to say I've met the All-Star team when they were in its prime during the two Super Bowls that they have won with the quarterback Eli Manning, just to name an elite player, along with his teammates, as well as our family. Hello everyone, welcome. My name is Andrea Mason, your personal accountability coach and certified global voice under the mentorship of the legendary Dr. Les Brown. How are you doing today? Well, while we are on the topic of American football discussions and the underdogs and the elite athlete, that is what really reigns true in my mind with today's society. I want to ask you, when you are going through the crazy game of life, are you a quarterback, a wide receiver, or on the defense? For those of you who are not savvy with the game of football, quarterback is kind of the backbone of the team. They're the one that navigates all the players and coordinates the plays and strategies that they have to utilize against their opponent to score and to win. And the wide receiver are those individuals on the team that have a certain path that they abide by, and usually it's wide because it's called a wide receiver, and they connect with the quarterback with effective communication to receive the pass and hopefully score a touchdown. Then you have the defense, and they are the ones, they are keeping an eye on their opponent with different strategies and tactics and blocking them from scoring. What I love about the Giants as their history, but the team that our family was actually able to meet in person, was that of Eli Manning. Now, most of you may not agree, and you can let me know. But before you hit that pause or stop button, check out my information on andreamasons.com. Like, share, subscribe, hit that notification bell for further updates, and join me at andreamasons.com to connect. And let's get you started in making and creating your dreams to make them become a reality. Those of you who are still with me, thank you for listening. I want to expand upon this. So for those of you who aren't familiar with the game of American football, Eli Manning was an up-and-coming quarterback. He was very strategic, a class act in his lane, and I will never forget one of the aspects that came about was that he was approaching a record, or an award, if you will. And what had happened was there was some interruption in his consistency of playing the games, and rather than continue playing if he didn't align with what was going on, he allowed himself to break his record and follow compliance with the team and what was going on. Now, I'm not going to get political, I'm not going to get into statistics, so I'm not going to get into the details, but that to me is a class act. Despite the fact of what had gone on behind the scenes, Eli Manning was able to be a man of integrity and sacrifice his consistency of his playing for a record or an award of recognition, and choose to sit it out if he wasn't able to play his role. How many of you, when challenged And when the carpet is taken out from under you, do you take the initiative to sit back, reflect, absorb, and learn from the lesson that has occurred, or get upset, react, and make a scene? This is all about discipline, self-awareness, and control. Allow yourself to take a few moments. If life throws you a wrench and you're not happy with the outcome, or a situation of unexpected occurrences, and take the high road. Take the high road to say, okay, this is what it occurs. I'm not going to react, but I'm going to respond in a civil and respectful manner. That will take you further than reactions. Now, I'm not dismissing that you should feel any sort of way. Feelings and emotions are made to be felt, but not to be prolonged or placed upon anybody else. Allow yourself to collect your emotions for a few moments. See the things for where they are. What is the takeaway message? What is the lesson? And then allow yourself to be the leader and move forward with integrity, a civil act, and respect. I wish that this message finds you well. It's all about the message of acting with integrity when life throws you a wrench, doing the right thing, and taking a few seconds to allow yourself to absorb the emotions and then to respond in a respectful manner. If you are upset with an occurrence that has occurred, make sure that you take a few moments and you act with dignity, respect, and integrity so you can move forward in life. These are the growing pains in life. And if you need support and someone to walk beside you, know that I am here. I thank you for listening. I thank you for watching. My name is Andrea Mason, your professional accountability coach, certified under the mentorship of Dr. Les Brown as your global voice and personal accountability coach. Like, share, subscribe, hit that notification bell. Check out Andrea Mason's to learn more, and I look forward to connect with you. Be well.